Hi Carmans, today we're gonna make an old fashioned for my husband. Using this new kit that my friend Caitlin got me. It's like a smoking kit for smoking the glass. I don't know.
He's so awkward.
I don't know. It came with a bunch of different wood chips, but I think today we're gonna use pear because it's the best smelling one. Let's go to the bar. Would you like Glenlivet or do you want Ezra Burks?
Ezra. And Glenn.
No. We need this, we need the muddler, we need cherries, and we need bitters. So we do a slicey of orange. It's a really sad slice, but that's okay. What is wrong with this orange? Normally you would want to use pinchers, but since it's for Nick, it's fine. Okay, we do 2 cherries. A splash of what is this called again? Sugar syrup, simple syrup. It's brown because I use cane sugar. Some people like to use agave. I don't know. Some bitters. Oops, that's totally wet everywhere. And then we muddle it. To get all the juices out. Okay. Get some ice. Scooch. You want a big circle or do you want the smaller ice?
The big one?
Okay. A ball of ice. Nope. And then 2 ounces of whiskey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was definitely not 2 ounces, but that's okay. We plop it in here. Okay. And now we smoke. It comes with this little contraption. You put the wood chips in here, you close it, and then essentially smokes the glass. It's supposed to, it says to do it in a ventilated area. But I'm sure it'll be okay. What is that on our ceiling?
Stuff that you put up there, probably.
Okay, are you ready? It's pretty. Whoa. Okay, try it. Is it amazing? How much would you pay for this at a bar? It's like $17.
Yeah, probably like 17, 20 bucks. Pretty good. Tastes good. I think you're probably supposed to smoke it for longer.
Probably.
We can do it long. There's still a bunch of wood in there.
Yeah, go ahead. You try.
There we go.
It's kind of cool.
You gonna try it with the smoke?
It's actually really good. Dang, if you don't like it, I'll keep it.
I told you I like it.
Sour.
I don't think it tastes any different, but maybe.
Yummy. All thanks to Caitlin. Caitlin, if you're watching this, I miss you so much. Thank you for the recipe. I don't know what else to say.